Good morning. Ayan. Umagang kay ganda dito sa Sweden. Ayan na. Dito ay alas 8 ng umaga. 8 in the morning here in Sweden. See, look. From the 8 floors that I can see the house of neighbor here. The cars. And so very nice plug there. Look. Ayun. May nagbabay ko. Ayan. Ayun. My car. Ang ganda talaga ng camera na to. It's very nice, this camera. I love it. They can see. Yeah. It's too cold here. I wish I can go home to the warm country again and visiting my family and friends there in Philippines one day. Their neighbor. Oh, it's very nice. It's like a province area. I live in the 8th floor, but look, but I can see people like it's far, it's near with me. No, I saw the garbage truck there. Oh, you see, it's look very near. Look. There. Yan. There are people there walking. Oh my God.